this video, we're gonna showcase how money talks to different type of people. Number one, someone that's always working and always on the grind.
Jnel, me can't buy no man. Me need to buy that BMW out from my lines in a man. That me can't buy that walk every day.
Yo, Buhn. Yo, Buhn. Me in your pocket, my you. Take me out now. Yes, dog. Finally. Draw me out of wallet now. Oh, me I got talk. Yo, stop the complaining, no man. Just go and see if I can reach a goal.
You know, say a true you talk. You know, say a true you talk, though, but my you, me just can't deal with the pressure every man, my youth. Can't deal with the pressure every morning, my youth. I come out here to a bus stop away from bus, my youth. Why me not do sit down? I stand up in a bus.
Dan, you're so past the worst, brother. Just focus on your toe youth them, send them to school. You get to me and say, here what you do. Give your wife a couple of me linky them, make she go to the supermarket and buy the mackerel them where you love.
You don't even mention that in my youth. Not even mention mackerel right now, you know. I mean, not even want that spoil up all my relationship right now. You see me? I chew your talks in, I want to hold it out.
And number two, the weed smokers them.
You know say you're my boy, don't you? Eh? Look how you get big.
I want something.
You do something. No, you're my boy. Look how you get big and fat, man.
No.
What you want? What you want daddy buy for you?
Snacks.
Snacks? Alright, you want snacks?
Yes.
What kind of snacks you want? Talk loud, no man, I'm here.
Nah. Bigfoot.
Bigfoot? Alright, my boy. I'm soon come here. Go on and go play. Go on and go play. I'm soon come here. Buy me some snacks, you know.
Oh, yeah, eat that, but what kind of snacks? Stop a nice, man.
How say that?
And me say that, brother. Me there in your pocket. Remember, say you have 220 bags to go pay for around a lizard neck and make sure you buy 3 more bags for last of the rest of the week.
What you talk about, brother? Me youth to go to school, bad man. Me buy the youth snacks, them what you talk about? You know how long I bring up my woman, brother? Right now I feel like she like me Buhn charge it. What you tell me, say?
You worry about Buhn. Right now if you have Buhn a big head cliff youth, louder be there. I want to tell you, man, the youth can't wait till you go get mine, pick me off your mind. So you worry yourself.
So what you mean by youth come so youth have to get mine? What you mean by that?
I want to tell you what, you call Uncle Jimmy or Auntie Nikki and tell him to send you a thing, brother, and you're good. You know that. You guarantees you're good.
Watch out, brother, watch out. I never provide for me youth certain way, bad man. So watch out, I have to do it now, charge it. So them weed and them thing, I have to dash it to the dog.
So watch out when they go, you know, miss that. Eh?
You miss this cliff, yes?
Then go and go buy a ganja na youth.
Alright, we are going to buy 5 bills
10.
back. 10. Yeah, what? 10 bills
Yeah.
back, 1,000.
Yeah.
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 Ah, and I see how it
Yeah, right. And number 3, the beggars them on the street.
Place so bleaky, dog.
Stay there talk about place so bleaky and sit down and look like you're cool. You have to look like you want it, brother.
Yo, my charger, you can't give me a strength, dog.
You know, say me didn't want no money, dog.
A lie boy you tell me that bag, a lie matter.
You know, say you have money, though. You have money, you know.
Dog, I swear me not no money, dog.
I saw you go on, you know. You have
No
money,
money,
Brian,
dog.
you. You have money.
Dog, I say me not no money, brother.
Alright, man. Go on, man. I saw you go on, man. I not say nothing.
And number 4, the BADMAN them.
Man. John, I'm feeling hungry, you know, man. You know, no money, you know. Now, 1 bills me have still, you know. Buy something to eat, you know.
Yo, Bijah, where you go?
What?
Yeah, you idiot or you're a fool. Where you buy food I go, you know no sense.
What you mean you not buy no food?
Me say where you go, you know want something new. Look how long you have the ratchet there, you know want something we can bust. Something like an AK-45.
You want me dash my ratchet and buy AK? Brother, I can't even spell AK in a Batman.
I want to tell you, in every one of JNL video them is a ratchet you have. Dash that man, I want to tell you. Show that night, gully make gully bob, find that.
You know what, I'm going to take your foolish advice. Take your foolish advice and I'll buy you one AK now, you see me?
Dead feel hungry, man.
Yeah, dead feel hungry. But I say, what? I do it, you see me?
And finally, number 5, the thief for the on the corner.
I did pumpkin.
They are about charge, you
Yeah, brother, I'm there, I'm go on, right, you see?
I didn't think I'm there, man.
So Chopper, where you deal with?
Yo, you said that?
Eh? Where are they?
What you say?
What go on, where are they?
Think you said something to me?
Phone me there, brother.
Could I swear you said something to me there?
No, brother, I'm catching me a chat to charge you. What go on?
Alright, they think.
Alright. So where are some mama?
Yo, I me man, money in my boy belly. So, how you do?
You mean no me though?
Me hear about him and say you're the biggest thing around here. Me hear say when people are walking and them buck up in you, them have to hold them pocket in a brother.
Yeah man, I me man. Anything me grab. Anything.
Eh? Where are they?
No, you want that.
No, the real me I chat to.
No, man, they think.
Yeah, so where are some?
So all I know, say you're not grab me. Yo, you have to mind on you're grabbing the car. Yo, we get wire out.
Come here right now.
Power no man, your thing swift.
Alright. So where are go bigs? No man, where are the bigs?
You don't say
Kill boy for less than this now big. So
Yeah peeps, thanks for watching the next video. Please remember to like, share and also subscribe. When you subscribe, just hit the notification bell to get notified when there's an upload. You don't know your boy Jnel. Click the video on the right if you guys want to check out more comedy skits. And on the left you can check out the tricky questions. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, you don't know your boy Jnel. And I'm out.